Welcome back to Spring Unit Math 8 for a new chapter. I'm Mr. Burns and today's topic is unit rates. You may be asking yourself, what is a unit rate? Well guys, a unit rate is a comparison of two measurements which always has to have a value of 1. So you're going to have two numbers compared to each other with one of the values always being 1. That 1 signifies that it is a unit rate. Without the 1, we don't have a unit rate. So let's look at an example. The cost of 1 pound of apples is $1.50, and it can be written like this: 1 over $1.50. On the top we have the 1 pound, and underneath we have the dollar amount. So based on this unit rate, the cost of number of pounds of apples can be determined. So if we wanted to go ahead and say we bought 2 pounds of apples, I have the first one is being multiplied by 2, so I get 2 for the 2 pounds, and $1.50 being multiplied by 2 gives me $3. So if we insert the number of pounds we want to purchase, we can always figure out how much the pounds of apples will cost in final. Okay, let's talk about John and how he likes to ride his bike. So John rides his bike 36 miles in 2 hours. We need to figure out what is his unit rate, or another way of saying that is, how many miles did John ride in 1 hour? So let's look at the steps. First, let's write a rate as a fraction. The term that needs to be reduced is the 1, is the hours in order to get the distance that John rode per 1 hour. So my beginning fraction is 36 miles over 2 hours. Okay, so when we have that fraction, we're going to go ahead and simplify it. So next, to simplify the fraction, we created by dividing by the denominator. In this case, we have the number 2. So we're going to divide both the top and the bottom by 2. So when I divide 36 by 2, I get 18. And when I divide 2 by 2, I get 1. So we can see clearly here that John rode his bike at 18 miles per hour. That's actually pretty fast for someone riding their bike. That's it for unit rates, guys. Best of luck solving. See you next time.